Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to rotate or flip a video in CapCut. First, let's open our app, and as you can see, I already have a project opened. Now to flip a clip, you need to select the clip by tapping it, and then scroll and locate transform. Click on it and you will see multiple options. Now rotate, as you can already guess, rotates your video clockwise or counterclockwise. Let me move to a clip that's visible enough. Here. Here. And a mirror will flip your video. Here. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.